Hello everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to save out your own customized keyboard shortcuts. I'll assume you've already set a bunch of your shortcuts using the action list. Then all you need to do is a couple of simple steps. So first we go to the action list using View, Action List, or typing question mark. That brings up your action list. Now in the lower right corner here, there's a button called Key Map. We click on the Key Map button and choose from there Export Shortcut Key Map. That's going to export all the current shortcuts, including whatever you've set and whatever was already there. So I click Export Keyboard Shortcut. It now will offer to store that in the standard area under the REAPER resource folder called Key Maps, and you need to give it a name. So let's call it My Key Map for now. And leave the extension .reaper key map, and then click OK. Okay, now that has saved the key map, but you need to do one more step in order to make it so that you can import it for using with Cohler Classical. That next step is very simple. We go to the Options menu, down to Tools at the bottom here, and where it says Remove SCR lines from REAPER key map file. We have to run that function. So we click that. Select the file that you just created, which was this one, My Key Map. Click Open. Takes a second or so. Then it will tell you that Cohler SCR lines have been removed from, and then it gives you the full file name. Click OK, you're done. That key map can now be imported at any time. So for example, to import it, I'll show you the reverse. I'm going to change a couple of keystrokes right now to show you that it will re-import that keystroke. If I sort the action list on shortcut by clicking on the word shortcut here, that will put all the shortcuts at the top. So let's say I wanted to change the Cohler Go to Project Marker 1 command to be a different keystroke. I would select it. I would click delete the keystroke that's there, add to add a keystroke, and then I'd type some keystroke. Let's say I made it into Command M, let's say. It'll warn me that I'm changing some other command too, but that's okay for now. Click yes. So now you see Command M is stored as the keystroke for that function. Now I'm going to load my key map back in that I had already saved, and you'll see it'll set it back. So to load it back in, we go to Key Map, click on this button, and then say Import Shortcut Key Map, and find that file, mykeymap.reaper key map, click Open, and now you see Go to Project Markers back to what it was. So that's all there is to both saving and then importing a key map. Just remember that second step. After you do the key map export, you have to do the Options, Tools, Remove SCR lines from REAPER key map file. That's all there is to exporting and importing key maps in Cohler Classical.